Hi, my name is Weiwei Su, and I lead the technical support for our spectrometers here at Hamamatsu. This spectrometer in particular we have in front of us is one that we're very excited about. It is the FT-NIR Engine, and this, in addition to high resolution, is able to provide us with high sensitivity even in a non-cooled system. And this is possible through interferometric techniques rather than the typical dispersive methods. This unit is our newest unit, the C16511-01, and it incorporates a new Ethernet port which allows us to communicate at very high speeds to collect data as high as 275 frames per second or even as high as 550 frames per second, which can be very important for factory automation purposes. Our unit covers 1100 to 2500 nanometers deep in the near infrared, and this infrared system allows us to take measurements and identify objects that normally would be identical to the human eye or to visible camera systems. Let me show you what I mean. Over here, we'll see on the conveyor belt 5 samples, pucks, of what looks like regular table sugar. These pucks all look completely identical even if you were to examine them very closely. But if we come over here and take a look at the FTNIR, you'll see that the spectrum shows a different story. The first 3 pucks show 3 spectra that are correctly identified as regular sugar. But the next 2 show up as a different substance, aspartame, or artificial sweetener. So by utilizing the near-infrared spectrum, we are able to correctly identify the different types of objects that may look identically the same in the visible spectrum. And this can be applied to a lot of different applications across pharmaceutical samples, environmental samples, or agricultural samples. And so if you'd like to learn more about this device, please reach out to us.